Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's Brandon. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get back to some of that barbecue fusion that I like to do. Today we're going to make some Southwest egg rolls, but we're going to use some smoked brisket that I had left over from a previous cook. I'm going to show you what the ingredients are, get it prepped up, and we're going to get it started. Sit back, relax, and let's roll. Okay, here are our ingredients. We've got red bell pepper, green bell pepper, spinach, some fresh corn that we cut off the cob, fresh sweet corn, red onion, some diced pickled jalapeno, of course the brisket, some black beans, Colby Jack cheese, and some egg roll wraps. Don't mind the vegan part, that's all I could find, so that wasn't intentional, that's just what I could get. So let's go ahead and get this stuff prepped. Alright guys, first thing we need to do is we need to saute these vegetables and get our mixture together. So we're going to start off with our peppers and our onions. Let's put those into the pan. Got the pan on medium high. And we're just going to saute these veggies. Sauteing them in a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Got pinches of sea salt and a little bit of black pepper. I don't have to season the mixture much because that brisket is already seasoned really well. Alright, we're going to let this go a little while longer. Okay, so we've allowed the peppers and the onions to get to the tenderness that we almost want. Now we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. So now we're going to add in that sweet corn. Let that go for about a minute. Smells amazing already, but you already know that with onions and peppers, the smell's going to be phenomenal. Now you could definitely, generally when you make Southwest egg rolls, you're going to have chicken, grilled chicken or whatnot, or you can have it like a braised chicken or whatever, and have that Mexican seasonings or taco seasonings or whatever the case may be to season that. But like I said, we're going a little different with this recipe. So, all right, now we got the corn in. We're going to add in our spinach, and that's not going to take any time at all to get wilty. But yeah, like I was saying, you could use chicken, you could use pork if you wanted to, steak. It's really how you want it to do, but like you ever go to like a little restaurant and you get the appetizer, 9 times out of 10 it's going to be chicken. In that recipe. And you see that spinach is already wilted. It takes no time at all. We're going to add in some of our black beans, about a half of a cup, just to get them a little warm. But we are going to cool this back down because we don't want it piping hot when we add it into our egg roll wraps. Now we're going to add in our smoked brisket. Nice saute on it. This smells so good. If you wanted to, you could just eat it like it is. Put over some lettuce and have yourself a Southwest salad. Alright. We are going to add just a little bit of complete seasoning to this. Add a little bit more flavor. And the last thing we're going to add is those pickled jalapenos. Alright y'all, that is our mixture for our Southwest egg rolls. We're going to take this off the heat. We're going to let it cool for just a little bit. That way we can handle it. And then we're going to set up those egg rolls. See you in a minute. Alright guys, now it's time to get these egg rolls filled. If you can see here, I took our mixture, which was cooled down. I added some Colby Jack cheese to it. We're going to do some with cheese and some without. But the ones with cheese, you want that cheese added to the cooled down mixture so it can be incorporated all the way through the egg rolls. So what you want to do, you just want to add a little bit of the mixture right smack dab in the center of your wrapper. You don't want to overfill it because you don't want to make it hard to close it up. And what you do, you just take it, then you take the ends, fold those in, then you go ahead and continue to roll. What I'm going to do is take just a little bit of water and add it to the edge there, and that's your egg roll. So we'll go ahead and do another one. Take our mixture, a little more. And again, just take bring it all the way in. Take your ends, fold those in. Then you roll. We're going to take a little bit of water to seal the deal. And that's it. Alright guys, let me finish rolling these up and then I'll see you at the frying pan. Be back in a minute. Alright guys, we got our rolls all together. Ready to fry. We got the oil heated up to 350 degrees. I'm using our cast iron. I've got it halfway filled with oil. What we're going to do, we're just going to take them with the seam side down and just add them into the oil. Let them go. We're just looking to get a golden brown color on it, just like you would at the Chinese restaurant or any restaurant for that matter. Go ahead and just flip them. Looking good already. Like I said, you want the nice golden brown. That's what we're looking for. Alright guys, these are just about done. It doesn't take long to get them fried up. you're looking at maybe 3 to 4 minutes tops, and that's with your grease, 350 degrees. So, but you do want to make sure that your grease is hot before you dump them in. If not, you're going to have a greasy, soggy egg roll, and that's not what you want. You want to have that nice crisp on the edge, if you can hear that. A nice crispy outside, and with that hot, delicious inside. All right, these are just about ready to go ahead and pull. I've got a rack over here, just a wire rack on a pan with some a little bit of paper towel underneath it to let them drain. All right, we're just gonna start pulling them, and I'm gonna fry up the rest of these bad boys, and then you know what we do after that. Taste test. See you back in a minute. All right, guys, we're finishing up the last two. Again, look how golden brown and beautiful they are. Got that crispy exterior. We're just gonna take them and drop them off over there on the pan. Now let's plate these things up and eat. All right, guys, we're back. Now it's time to dig in. Get a look at that. You can see that cheese, that spinach, those peppers, and that brisket in there. And I'm going to be eating them. I got a little bit of salsa, and this green sauce is called Sriracha Granada, which is a jalapeno sauce that I got from a buddy of mine who makes his own sauce, but he happened to be selling this one. And it's a really, really good sauce. But enough of the small talk. Let's get into this thing. Wow. This thing is phenomenal. It is phenomenal. You heard that crunch. That's what you want. You don't want a soggy egg roll. You want a crispy egg roll. Those peppers, that corn, that sweet corn, that smoky brisket, that cheese. My God. This is phenomenal. Let's try it out with that Sriracha Granada. Now that's more of a tangy yet spicy sauce. Sorry for eating in y'all face like this. These are fire. Listen here. Follow this recipe. Try it out for yourself. I promise you, you'll love it. You don't have to use brisket. You can use chicken, pork, or whatever. But I would suggest you try to put on the grill to get that grill flavor before you make them. You'll love it. If you like this type of video, please comment down below. Subscribe. Share the video. Hit the notification bell so you can see some more of these awesome recipes we come up with. I appreciate you guys. Till the next time, God bless.